equations with brackets and variables on both sides. To solve an equation with x on both sides, we rearrange the x parts first by moving the smallest x value. And what we need to consider then is which term is smaller. And if we have 7x and 5x, then it's obvious that 5x is smaller. But if we had 5x and minus 7x, although 7 is a bigger quantity than 5, 5 is bigger than minus 7x. So we'd have to move the minus 7x. So in this first example, we've got 2x plus 7 equals 7x minus 18. 2x is the smallest number of x, so what we need to do is to get rid of the 2x. So if we subtract 2x from both sides, what we have is 7 on the left, and that's going to equal 5x minus 18. And then this is now a linear equation that we're more familiar with. So we can add on 18 to both sides, and that will get rid of the 18. What we're left with is 25 equals 5x, and then dividing through by 5, we get 5 equals x, or x equals 5. In the second example, we've got a 3x and a 1x. So 1x is the smallest number, so we need to get rid of that. So we subtract an x from both sides. And 3x minus 4 take away x is 2x take away 4, and that's going to equal 6. We need to add 4 to both sides, and that will leave us with 2x equals 10. And then dividing through by 2, we get x equals 5. In the third example, we have a 4x and a minus x. So minus 1 is smaller than 4x, so we need to get rid of that. And to do that, we will add an x to both sides. Adding an x to the left will leave it as 5. Adding an x to the right hand side will give 5x minus 5. Again, if we add 5 now to both sides, that will remove the number term on the right, and we'll be left with 10 equals 5x. Dividing through by 5, we get 2 equals x, or x equals 2. Now, if the equation contains brackets, we need to expand the brackets first and then use all our previous techniques. Now, to expand a bracket, we need to multiply everything inside the bracket by the term outside. And it's always good practice to put in our wee lines, and those being multiply. So on the left hand side, we've got 4 multiplied by 3x, so that's 12x. And then 4 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 24. Then we've got 6 times 6x on the right to give 36x, and 6 times minus 20 is minus 120. So looking here, we can see that there are 12x's on the left and 36 on the right. 12x is the smallest, so we need to get rid of that. And to do that, we will take away 12x from both sides. Doing that, we'll leave minus 24 on the left. On the right, we've 36x, take away 12x is 24x, take away 120. We now want to get rid of the 120, so we'll add 120 to both sides, and we get 96 equals 24x. Divide through by 24, we get 4 equals x, or x equals 4.